Hello there, welcome to Page Odyssey. Today I'm diving into the world of Indiana Jones and one of the most beloved props in cinema history, the Grail Diary. I'll share how I transformed an affordable find into a very convincing Grail Diary prop, so you can do it yourself too. A couple of years ago, I scoured the internet for a Grail Diary information. I looked for pages, screen grabs from the movie, forums and replicas that people have created. But they were either hard to find or low resolution. I mean, the pages were low resolution. Or they came with a hefty price tag. Everyone who tried to DIY their own Grail Diary knows exactly what I'm talking about. Today we have more offers and a lot more people that did their own copy. That's when I stumbled upon a budget-friendly version on Amazon. This one. Intrigued, I read some reviews and decided to take a shot and see what I could do with the book in my hands. The book arrived brand new with a synthetic leather cover and in the wrong color. It came with some good inserts and others not so movie accurate, but that's okay. The diary is the story version. If you don't know what it is, it's because there's also the hero version, which is the one from the movie and that's not in chronological order. And the one I got is the story version, which is written in chronological order like a real journal. To give it that authentic touch, I wanted to put real leather on the cover, so I decided to repurpose an old jacket I bought from a thrift store, a tip that I followed from Adam Savage, that did the same when doing his own copy of the diary. I did some bookbinding as a hobby in the past and it was not so difficult to take apart the book, and with some new cardboards I removed the original cover and I was ready to make the leather the new cover. With the cover done, we were off a promising start. The content of the diary can be read, although the pages show a little pixelation. I'm very critical about it, but that's not so bad after all, I can say, and I can still read it. The magic to convince with this prop is in the aging of the pages, not just about the content, which is very cool by the way, with most of the pages seen in the movie. It's about the looks, so it was time to age those pristine pages. The Grail Diary must look weathered and worn, just like Henry Jones. The book originally came with yellowed pages, as you can see, which saved me some work, but I wanted to do more. So I used some leftover coffee and I started staining each page with a brush and coffee. Here I did 4 or 5 leaves at a time, otherwise they would stick to one another. The key is to embrace the imperfections, so don't be afraid to try. I painted, crumpled and dried each page with a hairdryer, adding character with every step. Remember, the more beaten up, the better. Also, when the pages were dried, they will show that curly effect when you wet paper, which is gonna add to the overall looks. With the pages aged enough, it was time for the final touches. I didn't exaggerate on giving the book a used appearance, but you can drop it, put it in your back pocket, and give some punches. A few extra creases here, a bit of distressing there. I did the same with the inserts, and my Grail Diary was taking shape. It's all about capturing that sense of something used, and the more random you are, the better. I'll add other missing inserts in the future to make it more authentic and movie accurate. And there you have it. Crafting your own Grail Diary doesn't have to break the bank. With a bit of creativity, you can turn this affordable find into a prop that rivals the expensive ones. I hope this inspires you to do your own. Share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time.